Croissants with surprise, Skittles pills, bread sponges, and chocolate eyeliner? Enjoy our new video about weird food pranks.
My head hurts! I should take something for the pain. Put Skittles into an empty blister pack. Coat a second blister pack with glue and join it with the candy pack. Ugh! My throat feels weird. I need a pill. My eye is leaking. Hey, what kind of magic pills do you have? Are these Skittles, so you don't have to share? You need a pill to cure your selfishness. Christy loves chips. I know how to make her happy. Carefully cut a bag of chips along the seal. Take out the contents. Crumble some chips. Add flour. Put the mixture into the package. Cover the cup with double-sided tape. Chips with a movie is the best thing in the world. Do you want the whole bag? Take it!
Samantha runs out of wipes. It's great that her friend has one more package. Take one. Make an opening of a wet wipe package wider. Attach the cutout to the flap. Remove the wipes. Put them into a Ziploc bag so that they don't dry out. Put in sliced packaged cheese. Samantha takes out a slice of cheese instead of a wipe. It looks like the manufacturer mixed something up. These are snack wipes. Cindy likes it. So delicious. My friend gives me some sweets. I adore delicious candies. She's even brought Bounty. Wow, it's my favorite chocolate bar. Blot a pickle with a napkin. Melt white chocolate and pour it on top of the pickle. Print a Bounty package and tape it to assemble. Trim the edges and put in the pickles covered with hardened chocolate. Daisy bites the pickled Bounty. Oh, the coconut filling is not like it used to be. She is not going to take any yummies from her friend anymore.
Rock, paper, croissants. It's a carb roulette. Who will get a croissant with a surprise? Take a few identical croissants. Whip cream with a mixer. Add blue food coloring. Stuff one croissant with the filling and put it onto a plate with the other croissants. We stay lucky for now. This is the final round. Ben's luck ran out. Now his tongue is as blue as the sky.
Blondie tries to throw colored candies right into her mouth, and if she fails, she tosses it with her phone. A new game? Phone tennis! But one tennis racket's gotten scratched. My friend's phone has been injured by a candy. But it's not a reason to get upset. We will fix it quickly. Let's make a lovely case out of sweet bricks. Put colored chocolate in a Ziploc and melt it in a double boiler. Snip off a corner of the bag and attach chocolate brick candies with the melted chocolate. Make a colorful mosaic on your phone covered with plastic wrap. Make sure to leave your camera free. Cover the side panels in the same way so that your phone is held tight in the case. Take off the wrap when the chocolate hardens. This case is a mosaic art piece. My friend shouldn't hurry up to chew on it. We still have regular candies for that, though I will gladly bite off a piece of my weird brick case.
What do you have? Chocolate dipped strawberries? Have one. I'll take this one. Trim the edges of an oval radish. Put it onto a plastic stick and dip it into melted chocolate. Decorate it with white glaze. Yeah, it doesn't seem like a strawberry.
I've made a weird croissant. No one will like to swipe it indeed. My friend sits down next to me. Yuck! It's high time to throw out this moldy croissant. But I protest. It is very delicious. I'm going to eat it. Take a freshly baked croissant. Dissolve green and blue food coloring in water. Fill a dropper and put a few drops of the coloring onto the croissant. Melt white chocolate and apply it on top of the colored stains using a brush. My friend doesn't understand how I can eat the mold. Is it fashionable to eat moldy croissants like French moldy cheese? The naive girl doesn't understand that the mold on my croissant is made of sweet chocolate. Cindy is applying makeup. She needs a sponge for her foundation. Maybe her friend can help her? Of course! She gladly shares her bread sponges. Make a round cardboard template. Cut circles out of bread. Make them look like makeup sponges. Cindy takes a makeup sponge. What's wrong with it? Why is it covered in crumbs? It's bread! No way! Cindy would rather use her fingers so she doesn't waste the product.
Redhead left her chopsticks unattended, and Samantha's looking for something to pin her hair up with. These chopsticks are perfect! My hair's done! And what should Redhead eat her noodles with now? How unfair! But Samantha finds a solution. Here, take these pencils. Use clean pencils instead of chopsticks to eat noodles. And what should Redhead do with these pencils? Draw a picture of a fork? No, just use them as chopsticks. Not a bad replacement, honestly. Not one noodle will escape from the pencil.
Stephanie wins her secret war on the last piece of chocolate. And there are dry crackers for Cindy. Stephanie feels awkward. She comes up with a great present for her friend. It's a choco liner. Melt chocolate glaze in a double boiler. Add warm milk and stir it. Fill a syringe with the mixture and pour it into a clean eyeliner vial. Stephanie offers her unusual eyeliner. Come on, Cindy, don't be sad. This eyeliner will bring your chocolate mood back. Wow! Cindy gladly eats the cookie with a chocolate heart. That's the sweet taste of friendship and justice.
My friend adores citrus fruits. She's their biggest fan. So I decided to make a surprise for her. But it turns out that her perfect nails are not so perfect any longer. We need to fix that right now. I know what my friend will like even more than oranges. It's a citrus nail polish holder. Take a plastic ball. We are using a base for a Christmas tree decoration. Cover both halves of the ball with a thin layer of air-dry clay. And coat it with orangey pink acrylic paint. Make small dots on its surface with an awl. Make it look like an orange peel. Let it dry. Take a round foam rubber sponge that is of the same size as the ball. Cut holes in it to fit nail polishes. Stick the nail polishes into the sponge and then into the ball. Make an orange stem from brown clay. Add lines with a knife and cover it with acrylic paint. Assemble the orange. Surprise! My friend didn't expect that there are nail polishes inside the fruit. This orange nail polish cocktail is exactly what a nail lover needs. Did you like our food pranks? Then comment below what food you are going to prank your friends with. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new hilarious pranks on Troom Troom.